Welcome to Crypto Updates. Today we're diving into the latest developments shaking up the crypto market, and yes, PEPE Coin is back in the spotlight. It's in a critical price zone, and despite some weekend consolidation, the market is showing strong signs of accumulation, especially for high-interest altcoins like PEPE. If you've been on the sidelines now, might be the time to start paying attention. So what's the current state of the market? Bitcoin is holding firm around $108,200 after a slight pullback from its recent all-time high of $111,500. That's right, Bitcoin hit a new ATH this past week, largely fueled by massive ETF inflows and growing institutional interest, particularly from Asia and the Middle East. Despite this small retracement, we're seeing healthy consolidation, which could be the calm before the next major move. Meanwhile, Ethereum is trading at around $2,513, and though it's seen a small dip of about 1.4% in the last 24 hours, market structure remains bullish. But let's talk PEPE because something interesting is happening. PEPE is currently up over 15% on the week. The chart shows increasing trading volume and a solid base forming near its current level. If Bitcoin holds steady or pushes upward again, PEPE could be one of the first altcoins to rally just like it did earlier this year when BTC surged. Now, beyond the charts, let's talk macro factors. Recent discussions around US regulatory clarity, especially regarding stablecoins, have sparked renewed confidence in digital assets. With evolving frameworks on the horizon, the potential for innovation is increasing, which could positively impact cryptos like PEPE Coin in the near future. On top of that, rising concerns about national debt and inflation are making digital assets increasingly attractive as alternative stores of value. Looking ahead, money supply growth remains a critical driver. Experts like Raoul have pointed out that when liquidity expands, whether through stimulus or debt issuance, crypto markets tend to benefit. If 2025 continues on its current trajectory, with capital flowing into digital assets, expect Bitcoin and select altcoins like PEPE to see explosive upside potential. Let's not forget the sentiment. Memecoins thrive on community strength, and PEPE's cult-like following remains one of the strongest in the space. Memes like "PEPE is divinely protected" might sound like a joke, but in this space, strong narratives can drive serious price action. As for fundamentals, PEPE now boasts a market cap of nearly $5.5 billion, and 24-hour volume is climbing steadily. It's shaping up to be a project with staying power in the Memecoin sector, especially if it maintains community engagement and broader market tailwinds. Before we wrap up, here's a quick disclaimer. This video is for informational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. Thanks for tuning into Crypto Updates. If you enjoyed this market breakdown and want to stay informed on what's next for PEPE, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the rest of the crypto space, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a beat. Until next time, stay safe, stay smart, and keep stacking.